One day in Bikini Bottom, they did the handshake. They were talking about something. They went to the sewers. What are you waiting for? Come in. While they were in the sewers, they discovered something odd. That was creepy. Wasn't it the bomb of Floyd? That's what I thought. Oh my god! Yeah, see you guys later. Bikini Bottom shuts.